Hello and welcome to Discovering the Secrets of Autonomous Robots. This is a series of short video takes on hot topics in the emerging world of autonomous mobile robots for material handling. Let's look at the question we'll address in today's session: why robots for manufacturing? The following are the 5 use cases that we are seeing autonomous mobile robots being deployed in and making a difference in manufacturing. The first is autonomous material movement between machines or work cells. The second is picking and delivering kits and assembly components from the stockroom to their point of use. The third is delivering inventory, consumables, and tools to remanufacturing, maintenance, or service points. The fourth is clearing waste and packaging away from work areas to collection points. And the fifth is picking and delivering inventory and consumables from a central stocking point or supermarket to the point of use. What is the typical workflow that we see in a manufacturing environment for autonomous robots? Well, first we need a way to trigger the move, to tell the robots. And this typically comes from a production control system or even a manual trigger to start the process. And the worker then will pick inventory to a container at the source location. And the robot then will retrieve that container unassisted and deliver it to its point of use, a work cell or a work point. The robot then retrieves the empty container and the process repeats itself. So why do you care? What is the benefit? There are 4 hard value points that are achieved by deploying these robotic workflows in manufacturing. The first is worker efficiency. Unassisted robot retrieval and delivery eliminates worker travel time. And this makes the workers available for more value-added tasks, and more value-added work can be completed by fewer workers. The second is material velocity. The robots have the ability to efficiently move single containers on demand to point of use, and that eliminates the need for any inventory or time buffers in the process. Third, process quality. Robots standardize the workflow, and they remove the majority of the worker touches, and that increases the quality of the process. Fourth and finally, flexibility. Robots are available on demand 24/7 and can easily be retasked for alternate workflows, or they can be flexed up or down for volume changes. What are the value differentiators that manufacturing executives have learned to look for? And in this case, I'll cite the NextShift robotic solution, but you can generalize to similar autonomous robotic capabilities in your environment. Now, the first thing you want to look for is people-first collaboration. Robots must operate around people and obstacles safely. But the good news is that today's real-time obstacle avoidance systems offer a smart combination of LiDAR, camera vision systems, and odometry that will allow your AMRs to safely operate in the same space as workers. The second thing you want to look for, especially in a manufacturing environment, is ruggedness. Uneven and imperfect surfaces are found in most manufacturing environments. Robots should be as unfazed by this as the people are. Climbing ramps between work areas should also pose no issues. Third thing to look for is the ability to pick up and put down a container. The ability to pick up and put down a container is a must-have ability for autonomous mobile robots in manufacturing use cases and workflows. And wherever source and drop locations are variable, robots must be able to pick up and put down at different heights. This automates workflows and frees the workers to operate completely independently. So to sum it up, autonomous mobile robot workflows hold a significant promise for manufacturing operations. Adopting these robotic workflows provides excellent throughput, efficiency, and quality. And savvy manufacturing executives are adopting these solutions to stay competitive in this digital age. Thanks for listening and watching. If you'd like to learn more about autonomous mobile robots in your environment, please contact me.